You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab.
On 30th March 2025, the Sai Priya Walkers Club in Raigad held an Ugadi celebration at the Railway Coach Restaurant located on Railway Station Road, under the guidance of Walker Jayakrishna Pradhan. The event featured a meeting that included a puja and yagya. Mr. Amitabh Singhal, Raigad Divisional Railway Manager of East Coast Railway, served as the chief guest, while Mr. Mahesh Patnaik, the municipality chairman, engineer Mr. Rajendra Kumar, Walker Satyabadi Pati, chief area coordinator of Walker International, and senior journalist Mr. Badal Kumar Tha were honored guests.
এটা কেবল কার্যক্রম খালি সীমিত নয়, এটা একটা ভাইচারা।
Indian Railways new division in Raigada Railway Division has become operational. This division under East Coast Railway is set to continue and including districts of Raigada, Koraput, Gajpati, Navarangapur, Malkangiri and Kalahandi.
lost its way into very dimension of dead habit. अलग नामों से जैसे पंजाब में पुली पड़वा बोलते हैं, तमिलनाडु में पोंगल बोलते हैं, थोड़ा हालांकि बाद में आता है, अभी नहीं आता है।
Good morning, Mr. Singhal.
Good morning.
I am Manoj Misra, the editor of Sigma Media Lab, the first English news channel in Odisha. I would like to wish you a happy Ugadi 2025. You have initiated the complete technical assessment of first Vande Bharat train in India. And the community of Raigada is appreciative of your appointment as the first DRM in the Raigada division. What initial ideas or initiatives do you think will be particularly significant and memorable?
First, I am very thankful to the Sai Priya Walkers Club to invite me and give this opportunity to me for this Ugadi function. I am thankful to them. Then, as a Vande Bharat Express was the last very prestigious project. Now you can see there are many Vande Bharat Express running all over the country. More than a lot of Vande Bharat running across the country, and all over the zone now they are running. That was the first big project which I handled in ICF. Now being posted as DRM Raigada is indeed a very huge responsibility over me. My first priority will be the setting of the division, which basically involves the creation of infrastructure in the Raigada division. That's all the DRM office, then residential quarters, then many hospitals, then आपका subordinate rest houses. This is the first responsibility which I have to create on priority, and it should be of world class. The next things which are going on Raigada division for developments are various doubling projects are going on, and Amrit Bharat stations are going on. There are about 15 stations assigned to the Raigada division. Overall, the 15 stations are there which are under Amrit Bharat schemes. They have to be developed like world class stations, like that.
The DRM post is essential as you advance into a phase of accelerated growth. Reports suggest that Raigada is the largest station in Odisha, and Google also it is there, with a platform measuring nearly 1 kilometer in length. The residents of Raigada take immense pride in these distinctions. Then, what responsibility should you like to express to the public about the station's anticipated rapid growth in the near future?
Definitely, the station which is Raigad, as I told, Raigad station has that distinguished distinction of being the largest station in Odisha. If you search the Google also, you will find like that. Our platform number 2 is the longest platform, which is of about 920 meters. And if you see the platforms also, now cleanliness has improved a lot. I must say that further there will be more efforts will be put in to clean the station and make available all the passenger amenities. If you see the waiting halls in the Raigad station also, if you see first class, then general, then ladies waiting room, they are very clean if you see as compared to previous years. If you see 10 years back, now they are very clean and all passenger amenities are available. Passenger information boards are available where continuous announcements are there. Which train is coming on which platform, what are trains coming, then delay in any trains, that is also announced. And the stations and platforms are much cleaner than the earlier. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है जय कृष्ण प्रधान, रिटायर्ड आर्मी पर्सन हूँ। ये जो है दक्षिण भारत का एक जो है ना प्रमुख पर्व है। इसमें जो है ना पिछले चीज़ को भूल के नया चीज़ को जो है ना आगे अपनाना है, खराब चीज़ को छोड़ के नया चीज़ के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। साइपिया वर्कर्स की तरफ से हम लोग जैसे ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप करते हैं, उसके बाद जो है ना जो गरीब आदमी है उनको कपड़ा वगैरह बांटते हैं, उसके रेलवे स्टेशन हो गया उनको हम करते हैं। हमारा बर्थडे जो है ना सेलिब्रेशन हम जो है ना अपना घर में ना बनाते हुए हम जो है ना ओल्ड एज होम में बनाते हैं। उसके बाद छोटे छोटे बच्चे को जो है ना कैसे किताब वगैरह हम दान करके कैसे जो है ना हमारा क्लब बच्चे का को आगे करना है, जो उनका फ्यूचर है उनके लिए हम बढ़ाना है, इसलिए हमारा प्रमुख उद्देश्य है। हम तो बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं। मैं जितना अपने को प्राउड करता हूँ उससे हमारा जो साइप्रिया वर्कर्स क्लब का जो मेंबर्स है उनके वजह से मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा गर्व होता है। उन नहीं होने से हम ये प्रोग्राम नहीं कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Dr. Baburao Mohanty executed as the chief speaker, and Walker advocate Mr. Subhash Behera, the former president and advisor of the Sai Priya Walkers Club, delivered the welcome address and introduced the guests. The stage was moderated by Walker K. Dharmaraju. The event was attended by Mr. Devraj Panda, Chief Advisor, Mr. V. Sambha Murthy, Public Relations Officer, Jolly Walker Mr. K. Bakunt Rao, along with other club presidents and walkers from Raigad, civil servants, and representatives from the Lions Club, Nagavali Lions Club, Raigad, and Raigad Gayatri Parivar, including Mrs. Sabita Mishra and Mr. Sudhir Mishra, who all extended their best wishes for the well-being of the community. Notable attendees included Mr. Kinthali Amar Nath, the President of Raigad Kalinga Vaishya Sangh, Secretary Mr. T. Jairam, Mr. Appal Raju, President Mr. Uma Maheshwar Pentho, Secretary Mr. L. Srinivas Rao, and Mr. Padman Chaudhary, President of Jilla Sondhik Seva Sangh Raigad, along with the newly elected body of the Bar Association represented by President Mr. Devi Prasad Patnaik and General Secretary Advocate Mr. Mangal Murthy Buria. The meeting concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Mr. Ladi Chandra Mouli. The event was sponsored by Messrs. SV Events, with Mr. S. Venkat Rao and his family being honored by the guests. During the celebration, food items such as puliharam, watermelon, and buttermilk were distributed to over 3,000 people at the junction of Raigad railway station. This report was prepared by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, the editor of Sigma Media Lab English.